Oh, say, can I speak to somebody, uh, I don't know, somebody with brass or, some
About
kind
what,
of
sir? Speak
manager
to someone
about a
about what?
complaint that I filed. And,
The phone is breaking up, sir. I didn't hear you.
oh,
Speak to
okay, I
someone
said
about
about,
what again?
it's about a complaint that I filed.
With, for,
Um, I filed it against, an officer in the city of San Antonio, and nothing was
okay.
done, and then I filed it.
Okay. Nothing with our office. Okay, let me transfer you to constituent services. Please hold.
Thank you.
I meet with business leaders thinking about relocating or expanding to Texas. They say they love our low taxes, fair courts, reasonable regulations, and world-class workforce. Then they ask, what are you going to be doing about water? Texas has powerfully answered that question, creating new funds that will support local and regional projects. Office of the Government, this is Denny.
Hello. Say, what'd you say your name was?
My name is Denny. How may I help you?
Demi. Say, I have an issue. I was traveling through your state. I received a speeding ticket from an officer in San Antonio. I filed a complaint against the officer. I sent it to the let's see here. Sent it to the chief of police. I sent it to the city attorney. I sent it to the attorney general's office. It was carbon copied to the mayor of San Antonio, both senators, and the Bexar County district attorney. I received one reply from a sergeant, Mark Griff, from there, basically throwing out everything that I said and blaming the Minnesota DMV for the mistakes on the ticket regarding my name. There is no Ralph Miller Nathan. That's the way he has it written up. I've got legal documents being sent to my house for somebody that does not exist and live here, and that's a federal offense for me to open that. So I made an open records request to prove my side of the case, which I was following all the hoops that they were making me jump through, and all the let's see here, all the open records requests I made. The process was moving along. I made it 10 days in advance of my court date. Then I was told I needed to make a paper request as well because they had the online request. So I made that first for about 12 days in advance, I believe. And then they told me I had to do the paper one. I filled out the paper one, sent it all certificate of mailing. And then I got something from an assistant city attorney, a Charles H. Weir. He cop and carbied a letter that he sent to the attorney general's office denying my request for my evidence. All I wanted was a dash cam video and the mobile data terminal that I needed to prove my side of the case. So after that, I talked with him. He told me to talk to prosecution, pretty much pushing me off. I've talked to a lot of people. I've got all the I have every recorded conversation with that whole brood down there. I was dealing with a Debbie Hamer from the office of Judge Fred Garcia. He's the municipal judge down there in San Antonio, and she told me on, what was it, May 28th or 29th, she told me that she'd be keeping me updated on what's going on. I sent in all the correct information. I personally corrected everything. I went through all the steps, corrected everything for the court, and now all they went ahead and done is they pushed back my court date, and now are saying that saying that on the 24th I have to be down there, which I can't because I was just traveling through. And otherwise there's going to be a warrant sent out for my arrest. So I just on Friday filed a complaint against the the judge and his entire office and sent it to the State Commission on Judicial Conduct, San Antonio Internal Affairs, and to you, the Department of Tourism. And it's also been carbon copied to a few others. They're clearly sidestepping everything that I've been trying to do and pushing it back. Even this City of San Antonio Municipal Court ordeal here, the date is June 6th when they claim that they wrote it up, and it's postmarked on June 11th. The day I have the court date is the 24th, so I don't get it until the 13th or until the 14th, basically giving me 10 days, and they're just keep pushing it back and pushing it back, trying to give me very little time to respond and take care of this issue. But I've got all my evidence spread out right here. I've got video evidence of the stop. I've got proof that that the Minnesota DMV was not present and did not make the mistake on the ticketing officer's side. He is the one that wrote it. He wrote the ticket incorrectly. Ralph Miller Nathan does not exist, and basically this needs to be completely thrown out. I've been trying to get a hold of the prosecution, and again, all I get are answering machines, and I get nowhere. So this complaint, I sent it out on Friday morning. It should be getting to you guys probably tomorrow, and I just want to make sure that you guys get it and are notified of it, and that hopefully something gets done about this, because they're just going to slap me. It's all a scam to just take my out-of-state dollars. That's all it is. And so, anyways, if I could get a call back or something could be done to straighten these guys out down there, I would appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Once we get that in writing, like you said, you just send it off to us. If you want to give us a call back here in a few days,
yep.
After we have time to review it, we can give you an updated status of what we can do for you.
All right. That sounds good. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure because, everybody seems to be, pushing me off and trying to shoo me under the rug. So I will call back probably on Wednesday then, because like I said, I sent it out Friday morning. So it should be there by Tuesday, give you a day or so to review it. But they're going to stick me with a bench warrant, I'm sure, on the 24th of June, it sounds like. So yeah, just trying to, the small window that they give me, I'm trying to take care of this before it gets out of hand, because yeah, I've already been in contact with the media and stuff too. So if this gets really ridiculous, I have no problem spilling all this information to them. So if you guys could hopefully correct them, I would very much so appreciate it. And I've been looking all over for the justice button on this entire thing, and all I keep getting is you can pay here, press 1 to pay, press 2 to pay with a credit card, press 3 to whatever. It's all a whole scam to get me to pay money when I am clearly the one that's actually paying attention and taking care of this the right way. But yeah, anyway, so I'll call you back on Wednesday, make sure you have it, and see if the ball's rolling.
All right. Yeah, that'll work.
All right. Thank you very much.
You have a good day.
Take care.